Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download TV2 Play application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Next, launch open App Store from your app drawer. Go to the search box at the top and type in TV2 Play and search. Look for this application from TV2AS and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. TV2 Play is a streaming service provided by Norwegian television network TV2. It allows its users to watch live TV channels, on-demand content, and exclusive shows and series. Once the application is downloaded and after it's ready for use, tap on the Open button to launch open the app on your iPhone. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.